Hello, friend. Good evening and welcome all of you in my self discovery journey day 11. And in this self discovery journey, today I would like to share something that we have everyone, most of the people, there is a fear of failure in front of camera. And not only camera, actually, in communication skill also we have facing most of the time problem, um, public facing. In- but this communication skill is very very important. If we know something, if we not express other, and if other not understand the things, then whatever we know, that is completely meaningless. It's also applicable in our family also. If I not able to convince, and if I not properly express or communicate to my family member, then also there is a gap and create some confusion, and there is some completely what I want to say, due to communication skill we miss everything. And most of the time we feel nervous and feel low self-esteem if we not belongs to this background and not we really prepare for that. And to improve communication skill, we have to face, we have to show our courage. That is very very important. Most of the time what we are doing, that we are we have a fear working in background what people think about me, and that not help us to grow. So for that we have to practice first of all. Nowadays we have a facility that art in front of camera, that means in our mobile we can recording, and how we work on voice modulation, how we work on body language, and where how much frequently we stuck, and what I have to improve. If we just record ourselves and audit ourselves and try to improve, yes, it is true that it will take some time. It will not within a night we improve. But yes, definitely if we develop a mindset, then definitely we can improve. There is nothing impossible. Daily 1% improvement, the formula if we apply, how we improve just 1% better. uh, Suppose in some place we have to give some speech on our health. So our health, how is important. If we are not healthy, then we are not too much, what I want to say, that uh, feeling energetic, enthusiastic, and not able to productive. So in organization, if I am happy, I am feeling energetic, enthusiastic, then we can do the work in very less time, and by the vibes what I radiate through my team member, the team member also feel recharged, and they also able to do work smartly. So how much effort we are giving, that not create value. How value we can generate, that create the true value. And for that we have to uplift our skill set. So each and every day out of office hour, if we spend some time for ourselves, at least 30 minutes to 1 hour, to improve new skill set which align to my profession, as that we can make our job in better way. There is some story. Have you sharpened when you last sharpen your axe? uh, so the woodcutter story, we know everyone. Sometimes we are very much working hard to just forget, like woodcutter, but we forget to sharpen our axe. So that is very very important. Otherwise we not able to improve in our life. I think in my self discovery, I think each and everyone have to explore themselves. We have a hidden potential, and we have a huge hidden potential we can explore if we want. And for that, we have to develop right mindset. Yes, it's true that right mindset is not possible to develop in one day. For that, how we develop a right mindset, for that we have to adopt few strategy, like we have to take care of our body, mind, soul. Each and every day we have to work on ourselves. At least 20 minutes in a day we have to check who I am. We have to do self talk with ourselves. Who I am, what I can do better, where is the scope of improvement, like this. If we continuously do, then we only we can progress. And most of the time when some problem, setback, challenges coming in, we are completely uh, move to a dark zone from where we stop all progressive work. And and that is actually not help us to grow. How we develop a strong mindset, for that also daily, we have to do something, make something ritual, like doing yoga, exercise, running. It help us to build a strong determination, strong mindset, as that some problem, challenges coming on that time also we are stable. And in nowadays we are in corporate world, there is many more stress we have to handle. And we can handle all those stress only when we take care of our body, soul, mind. If we control our mind, then only we can make a better version of ourselves. We can and see the clarity, where I want to go, where I want to reach. Otherwise we start the journey, but we not able to hold our patience and lose from the track. uh, it will distract us, and it will not help us to reach our destination, our goal. So uh, auditing is very very important. Self affirmation, gratitude practice, it's very very powerful thing if we make it ritual by uh, applying some discipline every day. And if we find a mentor who guide us, then also it's help to grow. Suppose sometimes if I am on the wrong track, then a true mentor help us to guide. And also, if we build a great community where all are progressive mindset, that is also very very helpful. And uh, Kuri framework, K stand for knowledge, U stand for understanding, R stand for realization, I stand for implementation. Knowledge itself is not sufficient. Understanding itself is not sufficient. Realization also itself is not sufficient. We know that we have to uplift our skill set. We have to doing some yoga exercise on the daily basis. It's very very important, and to our make ourselves healthy and enthusiastic. It will recharge, very very important. But also we realize sometimes when we suffer on fatty liver or some um, maybe sugar or something, we gain too much weight gain. But we are not taking action. Most of the time we are thinking we will start from tomorrow, or some special day we are waiting. But this special day is never coming, and we are on the same page day by day. Few people have a mindset that if I am not doing anything, that means I will stay remain on the same position. But it's completely wrong. If I not upgrading myself, then I am downgrading. As because I suppose I am not doing exercise, that means I am not on the same. Suppose today I have weight at 70 kilo, and if I am not doing running, yoga, exercise, as on the day-to-day basis, then 70 kilo become 80 kilo, then 90 kilo. So I will downgrade myself. And for downgrade, we don't need to do nothing. Actually, if we not need to do nothing, that means I am downgrading myself. Few people have a mindset that if I not do anything, I will remain same, but it's a wrong concept. So knowledge itself is not sufficient, understanding itself is not sufficient, realization itself not sufficient. Implementation or action we have to take, and we have to make it discipline. Sometimes we start our journey but we not see the visible result, and we leave our journey mid of the way. And on that case, patience is very very required. And here I start my communication journey, but I'm not able to see the um, expectation of where I reach to improve my communication skill. So that is, I have simple steps. I leave my journey in the mid of the way. But if instead of leave in the mid of the way, if we consistently upgrading myself, then maybe it will take 6 months, but I will slowly progress. And I able to master in self talking or public communication. Day by day I improve. uh, at least I uh, control my fear. In front of public I am not stammering too much. With confidence, with body we I change my body language. And I also work on vocal tone. And I improve my communication skill. For improve communication skill, I know that I have to read many more books, and I have to talk with people. But mm, uh, mm, uh, somehow I am not able to do it consistently. But yes, I am planning to write in pen and paper, and how consistently I am giving time for that, and whatever the action I am taking to improve myself, that is also help. I think everyone, and we should uh, improve our communication skill. And also we have to improve our observation skill, listening skill. If we listen properly, then only we can communicate better. Most of the time we are not developing the listening skill. We are too much aggressive to speak, and we are completely out of the track. So all the quality we can develop by using small changes, small discipline if we follow. Oh, and I wish all of you stay healthy and happy and progress in your life. Improve your communication skill for to make a happy, healthy family, make your relation better, uh, and contribute to the society, eh, and develop a contribution mindset. Bye bye. See you.